Good.
May's opening up another gift. Oh, May, what is that?
Oh, you have a video. It's some wooden fruit.
May, you're good at opening
Cutting
gifts.
board. You are good at opening gifts. Will we help? Let me help. Take it off. Good girl.
Good, May.
Let's see what's in here.
What a morning you're having.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. What is it? May. Look, you have a cutting board and a knife. Let's take it out. Oh, untwist everything. Let's just do this one first. May, look. What is it? What's this? What is it? Tomato. What's this?
Oh, May.
Hamburger.
Yummy.
Cut it. Here you go. Cut it with your knife. Watch Mommy. Look. Oh,
Can you do it, May? Can you do it?
can you do it?
Oh, cut some bread. Hi, how are you?
Cutting board. Put it on your cutting board. Cut the knife. Mommy, show you. Put your knife like that and cut. Cut in the middle. Right here. Push. Oh!
Good job, May. One more cut?
One more cut?
Push. Help Mommy, please.
Let's cut the carrot. We cut the carrot. You get this one, and Mommy do this one. Cut. Cut, Mommy. Push. Put it here. Push down. Oh, good girl.
Mama?
One more? Okay. What's this egg? Cut the egg. Put it in the middle. Push down. Two hands. Two hands. Ooh, almost. Push. Oh. Might need some help with that one. What's this?
Apple.
Orange. Cut 'em.
Hi, May.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy.
May.
Say hi, Dad. Push.
Too busy.
Oh.
Good
girl.
job.
Mama?
What's that?
Sure.
What is it? What would that be? Pear?
That's, maybe.